Well, there is good news and bad news in the fight against impaired driving. 23 ABC's Leah Steinberg looked into a new technology the BPD and Sheriff's Office are using to prosecute those under the influence.
First, the good news. A new study by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration found the number of drunk drivers dropped by nearly a third since 2007. But on the flip side, driving under the influence of marijuana and other drugs has significantly increased to nearly 1 in 4 drivers around the country.
We had a pretty significant jump, comparatively speaking, from 2013 to 2014.
And according to the BPD, there's a steady increase in DUI drug arrests around Bakersfield as well. Statistics show misdemeanor arrests jumped from 63 in 2010 to 96 in 2014.
We need to educate our population now with the relaxed marijuana laws. We need to educate them about the dangers of smoking marijuana and driving, that it does impair you, it does cause problems.
Attorney Jeremy Bremer is also dealing with more DUI drug-related cases as well.
Drugs, including marijuana, is nonlinear, meaning the absorption, distribution, and elimination in the body is quite different and not always predictable.
But law enforcement around Kern County are currently testing a new saliva test that can catch drug users behind the wheel on the spot.
This machine can test for and give us a pretty immediate response, much like a breathalyzer for alcohol.
This is just a screening or a presumptive test and is not confirmatory at all, and it has a high error rate for false positives.
The test, called the Draeger Drug 5000, takes a swab of the person's cheek and tests for 5 different drugs, including THC, in under 15 minutes.
Now we actually have a device that gives us an immediate response to if there's any type of drugs on board.
But Bremer argues it's not a one-size-fits-all.
It doesn't work. It's not based on science, and so we shouldn't try to essentially put everyone in the same hole when everybody's different. In fact, no doctor would do that, and so we shouldn't in law enforcement and judicial system as well.
Leah Steinberg, 23 ABC.